So last week we talked about a few basic HTML tag, HTML coding that we use in this class. But for the sake of summary, I would like to re-summarize or review everything that we discussed in the class. We discussed the body tag, we discussed the paragraph tag, we discussed using EM, we discussed using I, we talk about inserting other list in other list. So I will have to go through the exercise again so that I can be able to post the video for you. So the first thing we want to do first is to create new HTML, create new HTML file. Then I'll teach you how to save it professionally. After saving it, then I will explain how the extension look like. So this is new HTML file. I press HTML. I'm in class. You shouldn't come here. I'm in class. HTML. Then open your close. And here we have body. And body close is open, right? So just the same thing we did in the classic counter. But before then, sorry, I said we have to follow the structure. After HTML open, we have the head. Have the head. SEAD. Right between the head is where we put the title. It's good. So since this page is about our home page, we're going to name it home. So every page should be named after, every title should be named after the HTML page, right? So we have HOME, home. So after the closing head is where we insert our body. So that's the whole structure here. This is the whole structure. Now, as you can see, we first want to insert a paragraph. This is just the summary of what I taught in the class. For those of you that were way back, I was sitting way behind, and for those of you that was also outside of the line, I did not benefit at all. So you have to pay close attention to everything. And this video is not something that you're supposed to watch. You can ask questions because you can reverse it. You can carry it in front, you can reverse it, and then practice it over. So here, our first thing we want to do is paragraph. So let's write our first paragraph. A quick brown fox jumps over the slow lazy dog. Oh, this is the paragraph, right? So because I don't want to keep writing, I will just copy and paste. So what I'm going to do, any of this P tag, I will just press enter so that I can bring a little bit down. Then I come right to the opening P tag and just drop our sentence inside. That's the same thing. If this one is copy and paste right here, and this one is copy and paste right here, that's the same thing, but it just has to be organized so that you can see that the writing sits right between the opening and the closing tag of the P tag. So I don't want to rewrite all these things, so I just copy and paste, just so they can have so many writing on our websites. Okay, this was enough. So let's go ahead first and save this work. This is our HTML opening and HTML closing. This is our header. And every time when using Visual Studio Code, if you click on the opening tag, it will highlight automatically the closing tag of the elements. And this body is right here, and then look at the P is right here. So that's save. I like to press Control S, right? Control S, or you go right to this file, and then you see save as. Now, this is the place we have to save our work. So we'll say the work should be named after the title page. Since this page is our home page, our home website, so we'll say h home HOME dot HTML, the extension. Don't forget about the extension HTML. And for this one, it has, let me go back, by default save as type. Although you see all file here, but if you see this one, click right inside and change this one and make Windows to save this page as HTML. Okay, that's HTML. That's HTML. So there's something I want to save this on the desktop or maybe the picture. Let's save it to the picture directory. Okay, we already have another document to picture, so that can be to download. Okay. Or why we can put it on the home? Do I have any document HTML file on the desktop called home? No, we don't have. So I save it. Good. I go to the desktop and see something. Where is it? Where is the home? Here is it. Here is it. So let's right click on this thing and then set our defaults so that it all will open with our browser. Come to choose defaults and then select Edge as our default always. It will automatically, here is it, because we don't want for it to appear in the source code editor. So you set the default when anytime you finish saving your HTML file, it appears as a browser form. So open it. Let it right in here, everything. The query brown file, the query brown file. But look at that. According to our discussions, we said we organize this in easily like this to fit in the P. But when you look at it, it just run the entire page. It just run the entire page. So if we want it to appear exactly as the way we want it like this, we should use break, right? We use break so that everything can have fall. So let's come to the first sentence. Any, we apply break. Good. The second, we apply break. You will keep applying break to everywhere you want it. You want to apply enter, or you want the next line to drop down. Same thing. Don't apply break on the last one because we are telling this last one automatically to break to drop down to this one. So you press Control S to save it. Everything you do in your HTML, every update you do to your page in your source code, you gotta save it. I go to the browser and refresh. Good, everything set up. Everything set up. So that's how it looks like. So I want all to drop it small so that it can be up top of these things, right? So let's go on before the opening tag and put our heading. H1, right? So that title this one is paragraph exercise. Paragraph exercise. Whatever you spell, that's it. Should we say paragraph exercise? or P element SSR, right? No, not P. Maybe we can put something like um, we can say XSR1 or something else. What's it? Laser door. Quick brown fox. Oh, that's a brown fox. Brown fox. Brown fox is lazy. Brown fox is lazy. The brown fox is lazy. Okay. Save it. Go back to your page. Good. It has inserted everything down. Okay. And if you want this heading to drop down small right here, right around here, you can also go up right above this heading. It's right here to the body here, and you apply a break. And apply. The more break you apply, the more margin it creates. I press Ctrl S. See that? Drop down a little bit. So we'll say we want to put EM to make this jump over this one to make it bold. Jump over. We put it in make it bold. Come right here, jump over. So anytime you're inserting a tag, you just look okay, insert the closing tag. But if you don't want the closing tag to be outside of what you want to do, you have to delete it and then come right and tag it right here. Boom. It's good. You take it up. Same thing here. Delete the closing tag. And let's save this one. Ctrl S. Go to your browser. Refresh. Here's it. It becomes bold. It becomes bold. Now that make one italicized. I will say, oh, that EM. Okay. So we come to quick EM. I can write to jump over EM. Control S. See, this one has been italicized. Can we make it italicized? Still not make it bold? Yes. I taught you the content. So either right outside this EM or that put a B here. Put B right here. The EM is inside and the bold, the B is outside. And just the same way, we want to come. Oh, stuff is sticky. My mouse is sticky. Oh. So if this bowl come before the EM, then it should come after the closing EM, right? That's what I said. The angle power slash bowl. But if we put the bowl right after this EM, it should come before the last EM. Look at the naming convention. Okay, this is what we call next step coding. B is outside and B is outside. EM is inside, EM is inside the position. Let's press Ctrl S. Look at the position. Anytime you apply that word, just look at the position closely. Yes. Good. Now it is bold. Now quickly let's go to the next one. That's what we'll discuss in the class of a paragraph. So let's go to other list and other list, right? Talk about it. So that's why our new heading 2, other list. All right. So right on the other list, we say other lists got sequential order, right? A rainfall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like that. So we have O, we'll have O, order list. Then between is what we'll put in our list. Just like that. So there's a copy and paste it down. Copy and paste it down. Alright, so for the exercise, we'll stop here. And what are the list of things we want it to appear on the website? Let's say we want, or this is to, let's say kindly buy the following items from the market. The first one is HP computer. Second one is HP smart TV. Third one is Dell Go F 710 Jim. Hey, what's up, brother? How's everything, Chief? I think what the hustle? My man practicing. And the time to be let's see the list we want to do. What should we put here? Watch, okay. Smartwatch. Just an example of how other lists appear. Press Ctrl S, refresh. Good. See that? Kindly buy the following items from the markets. So now you have number one, it aligned them, it listed them in sequential or numerical value, numerical order. You have number one, HP1, number two, number three, number four, just like that. That's how it works. Now, the same thing is applied to on our list. So you go right down to, let's say our P3, sorry, H3. Just an example. Not supposed to be writing H star, but just want to put an example to separate them. So let's say kindly the following parts from the mall. Okay, from the market. Okay, so here we'll say on order, which is UL. Open your close. On order, open here, say the opening time and the closing time. So here we have our first list. Okay, let's just copy and paste this list. Woo! Sorry. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's have what are we to buy? The same thing, okay? Let's put HP Smart TV, HP watch, smartwatch, Okay, we have Dell OR 7th Virgin computer. And the last one, let's make this as okay, Oppo Smart AR L73. Control S, refresh. Yes, HP Smart TV, HP Smart Watch, Delco R generation, Oppo Smart, just like that. So the difference between these two, this one has all of importance placement, but this one it just has bullet points, so anyone can have another one. So just like that. So this is basically what we did in the class all the time. So I'm going to post this video for those of you that are not in class. Thank you plenty for watching. So what am I going to do now? Oh, sorry. Okay. Save this work.